What's the meaning of adequately? Adequately. 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 The word adequately means to a satisfactory or acceptable extent. It implies that something is done or provided in an appropriate and adequate manner, meeting the necessary requirements or expectations. When something is done or provided adequately, it achieves its desired outcome without causing any negative effects or consequences. It ensures that all the necessary conditions are met and properly taken care of. Adequate measures and preparations are essential for ensuring successful outcomes in various domains such as education, health, business, and personal life. In short, adequacy ensures that something is done or provided in a satisfactory manner, leading to positive results without any adverse impact.